next one up, new client with his recently purchased Monster Dark. Unfortunately, it doesn't agree with his hips, the sitting position, so he is going to put it up for sale. Wants me to see if I can do a bit of trot loving on it before he advertise it. She's in a bit of a state. This has been used for commuting. He hasn't had it very long. Just fitted a new front tire to it, new tires front and back, but he thought he would get it trotted before he advertises it. She is in a bit of a state, so let's see if we can work a little magic on this Y-Reg Monster Dark, get it looking like it should before he advertises it. It's only 19,000 miles. Will be up for sale. If you're looking for a Monster Dark, give me a buzz and I will put you in touch with the gentleman. So let's get cracking. There you go, 3 hours on the dot. This Ducati Monster Dark has been trotted. I've done what I can with this old girl. Looks 10 times better. Not perfect by any means, but unfortunately the side cover there really needs to come off and be powder coated. Done the exhaust, done all those wheels. I mean, it was hanging. This has been sitting around for some time. This is up for sale. You're looking for a Monster 750. It doesn't have a lot of miles on it. It's just had a full service, 19,000 miles. Just had new tires put on it, just had a full Desmo service. So she's ready to go. Bit of summer fun. Drop me a message and I will put you in touch with them.